Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, February 19th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start with this one. Before I jump into it, actually, I want to mention that on Wednesday, wickedstocks.com put out a stock pick on Broadcom. And you can see that for free by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 2-week free trial. You'll see the next stock pick that'll come out, I think, today, 2 more next week, et cetera, et cetera. You'll also see the daily NVIDIA report, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly Apple, et cetera, et cetera. So check us out at wickedstocks.com. So this structure stems back to that December high. And 423.23 is the channel top. And we mentioned over the last couple of weeks that you can sell this structure, anticipating then a possible bearish rotation to its base, which is presently in the low 370s, 371.43, and dropping. And that is the play. If we were, however, to close above 423.23, if you did go short, and that is the side of the market you want to be on right now, but if you did go short and we close above 423.23, you want to at least exit your short position, if not reverse and go long, because if we did close above 423.23, we have a 3 to 5 week buy signal to 502.20. But until then, we have really this descending support that is dropping daily and is our moving target. On the way down, there is this 372.73. This formation is a respectable support area, may contain weekly selling pressures. Right now, it converges or correlates, I should say, with 371.43. Another mention about 371.43 is that it is dropping on a pretty steady basis and will converge by the middle of March with this rising speed line at 330.01. There are other elements, for instance, this long-term channel bottom at 319.55. In other words, what I'm saying is, unless we close above 423.23, we can fall to channel support over the next few weeks, which over the next few weeks drops into, really the 340s, then the 330s, where it converges with a meaningful channel support that is now at 319.55, but will be climbing into the 320s, 330s over that same time frame. So it's really kind of a guessing 330s target that is possible below 423.23. But I do want to mention that if we, over the next week or two, aggressively fall to 371.43, which would be in the 360s by then, maybe 350s, that is an area to cover at least some, if not all, of your short position. Because we could then round up from here back to what is now 423.23 within about 2 to 3 weeks. We could continue trading inside of this structure for the next 6 weeks or so, during which it converges with long-term support in the 330s. Let's cover the upside. I do want to mention, and this is not going to happen today, but I will mention what I was about to say is testing 436.35 is not going to happen today. But what could potentially happen today, and I see no sign of it, but if we did rally and close above 423.23, tomorrow, Friday, expect 436.35. By the end of next week, 456.31, a 5/8 Fibonacci from that D's high against the Feb low. And then overall, as I've been saying, a settlement above 423.23 carries with it a 3 to 5 week buy signal to 502.20, which is able to contain monthly highs and is part of a range up to 534.85, the 6-year channel top, that may well contain buying through all of 26 for Tesla itself.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
I think that pretty much does it. Let me take a look at the downside. I know we have, bear with me here, 390.12. I don't expect to see that today either. but if tested, can contain intraday, possibly daily selling pressures, and if settled below, would then set up that 371.43 formation within just several days. So that pretty much rounds it out. I'm going to leave it at that for Thursday's Daily Tesla Report. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Fridays, and you have a great day.